So this is the finished look. This is just what it's looking like. This is gonna be my Christmas hair. I always try to do like a protective style for the holiday, so when I'm cooking I don't gotta worry about my hair. So this is just what it looks like. You guys check out this length. All the hair and the deets will be in the description box, but y'all check this out. And it doesn't feel heavy at all. It does, however, feel a little bit tight, like right up in here. Y'all see how much of my edges I left out this time though? I wanted to leave out a nice amount of my edges because when I put them too tight, I end up losing them. So we ain't got that much to work with anyway. So that's why I left majority of my hair out. Yeah. So this hair is by Toyotress. And this is their butterfly locks. This is their butterfly locks in 20 inches. And I got the color 1B. I literally used almost all of the 8 packs. I was really worried that I was gonna run out of hair, but I spaced the hair a fingertip width apart and I ended up just having 2 little braids left. Super excited about it. So this is what it looked like. And I want to say this is more of like a black color, because y'all know my hair color is number 2 if you've been following me for a while. So I mean, you can't really tell. Should nobody be even getting close to me, that close to me anyway, to be like, that don't match your color. Like, back up, back, give me 50 feet. But I like this hairstyle. I'm rocking the side part right now, but I did create a middle part because I like to switch it up every now and then, you know. But this is just what the middle part looks like. I want to show y'all the hair in its full effect. So middle part, and then this is just what the back looks like. So it's just what the back looks like. It does have a bit of a like weird smell to it. So next time I'm gonna be soaking my hair in some apple cider vinegar or just shampooing it and all that, because I don't like that. But this is just what the locks look like up close. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, and thanks so much for watching.